This is gonna be good luck when the white birds come to your yard after you freshly cut some trees. You can see they're sitting over here. You get about 15 of them right here up in the tree. You hear them grunting out there? They were on the ground over there and a snake must have got to them. And they scattered and flew away. Over there and way back there where it's dark, there's all kind of critters. You know, this ain't like the city of Tampa. I'm out in Spring Hill right now. It's real country. Well, we just cut some trees down yesterday. A lot of wood. I'm giving the wood away. Free. Come pick it up. I'm not hurting my back. You gotta come back up here and pick it up. But you see him? I'm gonna follow over to it walking backwards. Hopefully they don't take a shit on me. Oh yeah, they're up there looking at me. God, that one's just shit. You know, if you were probably hungry and you had nothing to eat and you had a bullet, you'd probably shoot one or two of these if you could. Heat it up over the fire. Eat it. If you were hungry and had no food, or with a bow and arrow, you didn't have to have a bullet. You could knock one or two of them down real quick off of one of these trees. I know I could hit one of these birds. One or two of them with a bow and arrow. I'd be wrong too for doing it. Somebody wouldn't like it. But if you didn't have food and you had a family to feed, well, this would be a viable source where you could hit them close on the ground. You wouldn't have to use a bullet, and a bow and arrow would work. We're not at that point right now, but I'm saying if you were and you had to survive, then this would be something you could eat and kill. If you didn't have bullets, these small animals and stuff like this, as such. Actually, if you see that one, he's sitting on one leg, he's got his other leg tucked up under his back, or either he's missing a leg. I guess sometimes they sit with one leg. Oh, that one must be missing a leg. Let's see if he's got another leg. They're watching me. Oh, I should let the dogs out on them. They would really fly. Uh-oh, here they go. They're getting scared. They're flying out. Yeah, they're taking a crap over it. Here they go.